Hi guys, so this is day 2 in Delhi and it's Sunday today and I had a very terrible experience with OYO rooms yesterday, even though I had called them ahead saying that I'll be arriving at 4 a.m. And the reason why I'm calling is because I don't want any issues, and yet they didn't have any uh, rooms available. They transferred me to some other place and the room sucked. Seriously, was not up to the mark. Nothing was, but I was pretty tired, so I slept. So it's about 12 o'clock. It's about 1 o'clock right now, and I'm feeling pretty fine now. So now I'll be going to Old Delhi, and there we'll eat something, because it's famous for food there. My friends are telling me that, and after that I have booked my bus to Manali at about 5:40. It will start. So yeah, so by Monday we should be in Manali. So guys, I have reached the metro station, and this is, firstly we have to go to New Delhi, and from New Delhi we have to go to Old Delhi. So I think this is the orange line, and then after we have to take a yellow. Guys, from Chandni Chowk metro station, we took a tuk-tuk. It is about 80 bucks to cover 2 kilometers from here. It's near Jama Masjid, and this is where I'm going to have the lunch today. And so far so good. It's already 3:30, 4 o'clock, and our bus pickup is approximately by 5:40. So I have to eat fast and then rush to the bus. Time for lunch. I'm really hungry. We are at near Jama Masjid. सो गाइस, अभी टाइम हो चुका है शाम के 5:05। हमारी बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट होगी बस की 5:15 पे, एंड यहाँ से अबाउट 30 मिनट्स का रास्ता है पिकअप पॉइंट का, एंड काफ़ी नेक टू नेक चल रहा है. सो आई एन्जॉयड करीम्स. सो वी हैड शीख कबाब, मटन कोरमा एंड तंदूरी नान. काफ़ी अच्छा था, उससे ज़्यादा खा नहीं पाए. तो बट ये जगह काफ़ी सही है. व्हेन आई एम कमिंग बैक टू दिल्ली आई एम गोना टोटली एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस. मज़ा आ जाएगा. तो अभी थोड़ा सा जल्दी पहुंचना है मेट्रो स्टेशन, नहीं तो बस वाला निकल जाएगा. तो मैं आपको ये जो मैंने बस बुक की है, रेड बस से की है, मैं आपको इसकी डिटेल्स नेक्स्ट देता हूँ जब मैं बस में होऊंगा.
गेट नंबर 1 है.
ये गेट नंबर
3
आगे है क्या? अच्छा. सो गाइस, करीम्स जाना है तो यू कैन कम बाय मेट्रो. छावरी बाज़ार, गेट नंबर 3. डायरेक्ट मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी सही रहेगा. हमें पता नहीं था, सो वी केम टू चांदनी चौक एंड फ्रॉम चांदनी चौक वी टुक टुक एंड वेंट टू करीम्स. बट मेट्रो से भी कनेक्टिविटी है. So guys, we are at the meetup place, I think. So guys, हम पहुंच गए हैं. That is the pillar number 10 over there, and वहाँ पे buses हैं. Guys, loading the bag to the bag here. So guys, finally I'm in Red Bus. It took us about 15 minutes from Kareem's. So guys, हमारी जर्नी चालू हो गई है. We have started from Old Delhi. Time right now it's about 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. and there are 2 boarding stops. One was at this station and there is one more. After 1.5 hours we'll be reaching there, and after that we have to go to Chandigarh. From Chandigarh to Manali. So roughly it is about 14 hours 30 minutes trip by bus, and I had booked it from Red Bus app, and always see the ratings. So this bus had 4.3 ratings and a lot of good reviews about the bus. It's pretty clean. The bus is pretty clean. It was pretty easy to board the bus because half an hour and 1 hour earlier only the driver called us that you have a booking, please be here on time. So everything is going great. Thank you Red Bus. And yeah, so we have a good 1 hour of sunlight, and after that it will be dark. And I think there is only one stop, a dinner stop they will take, and then non-stop. So I'll keep you posted about what is my experience about Red Bus from New Delhi to Manali, because I've seen a lot of questions, people asking how is the trip via bus, can you do it, or how is it. So let's see how it goes. So guys, आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी leg room है. I am like 6 feet and still I have a lot of leg room here. And ये जो seat है यहाँ पे, this also comes up and then you can like sleep like this. It is not as comfortable as sleeper is, but this is better than normal buses. It's semi-sleeper. And I tried to search on the internet, but I couldn't find any. So I tried to search full internet, but I couldn't find any sleeper bus. I don't know why. It would be perfect to go on a sleeper bus, because as soon as you reach Manali, you'll be totally relaxed and totally, well slept, and then you can explore. But chalo, next best thing is semi-sleeper. So it was approximately about 900 to 1000 rupees. I don't know for sure. I'll put the figure on your screen right now, but it was pretty economical because Manali is quite far from Delhi. It's not really close. So, and the bus is top notch so far, and AC is working. Many of the buses, I saw the reviews, they were telling that AC is not working, or the bus is dirty, the blankets are dirty, there are a lot of things. But so far this bus is great, and I'm loving the experience, and AC is working fine. It's right over, and the pressure is also good, you can see. So that's the AC vent over there. So things are looking up. Till Chandigarh to Shimla, I think the outside temperature will be very hot. After Shimla, the temperature is gonna be awesome, but as it's an AC bus, it doesn't matter. So it's well climate controlled. And we had our lunch, late lunch by 4 o'clock, so I'm not hungry at all. and I think they're gonna stop at around 9 o'clock, 8:39 or 10 o'clock. That's fine. So let's see what happens. So currently we are at Rani Jhansi Road, and yeah, so far so good. So this is the beverage. This is like Appy, but a different company. They have given us one of this and one of the bottle, distillery bottle so far. So sun is about to set.
नहीं होती ज़्यादा, इनकेस ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम बस रोकते हैं, अदरवाइज नहीं रोकते। ठीक है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है ना जी सर, 8 साढ़े 8 ट्रैफिक हो तो कुछ नहीं कर
तो ये जो जहाँ पे डिनर करेंगे वो कैसी जगह रहेगी भैया?
सर हवेली।
हवेली मतलब नाम है हवेली?
सर हवेली कहते हैं सर, जो बहुत बड़े रेस्टोरेंट थे उनको हवेली कहते हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा है, मतलब खाने
अच्छा।
So guys, that's our bus and it's getting refueled. 500 liter capacity. My God. Meanwhile, it's about 8:30 and I'm gonna be using the restroom. क्योंकि next stop is at 10 o'clock and एक टॉयलेट ब्रेक तो बनता है यार बीच में, है ना? बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो गाइस बारिश चालू हो चुकी है, हल्की हल्की सी, मज़ा आ रहा है देखने में। तो उतनी भी हैवी नहीं हो रही है बट थोड़ी सी हो रही है। अभी रेस्ट वन वॉशरूम ब्रेक हो गया एट देवर फ्यूलिंग। सो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 23,000 का फ्यूल डाला है गाड़ी में, डीजल अब 300 लीटर्स। और फन फैक्ट, इस गाड़ी की कैपेसिटी है 500 लीटर डीजल पाओ। And also they add some liquid that actually reduces the amount of pollutants. I don't know about it, but I think in Delhi only it is. In Bangalore it is not there. And really, I mean, they are taking great measures to keep the city clean and green. I really appreciate it. I hope Bangalore also adopts such methods. And our trip is getting interesting. It's raining now, you can see. So guys, the dinner is done. We stopped someplace, I don't know which place it is, but it was not that great food, an overly priced place, not good place, and our time limit was 30 minutes to eat and come back. It was more of a task than a dinner, but yeah, here we are. And now they're just checking everything, everybody is there in the bus. They're giving them sickness bags so that if anybody feels pukish after dinner, they can use it and not dirty the place. And soon we're gonna start our journey. So approximately now the trip is about 9 hours to Manali. We are in outskirts of Chandigarh. We are near Ambala. We are going to approach Ambala, after that Chandigarh, and then
we'll take the route to Manali. I think it will be almost covered in night. Expected time of arrival is at 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, but I think we'll reach earlier than that. Let's see. Meanwhile, it has stopped raining now. So far so good. So guys, अब तक की कहानी ये है कि हमें बस ने अबाउट 7:50 बस स्टैंड पे छोड़ा, and then we hired an alto and he asked us about 300 rupees price to come approximately 4.5 kilometers, which is pretty exuberant, but और कोई चारा नहीं था and I had to come as soon as possible. Now we are here and this place is beautiful, guys. This place is beautiful. Matlab, especially if you guys are for couples, it's beautiful. I'll show you why. Come. So this is the property where we would be staying at least for 2 days. And right at the entrance we can find these apple trees, and when they are ripe, they are actually not ripe right now. I think in another 1 or 2 months they'll get ripe. They will look so beautiful, bright red. And look at the property, and the place is very very calm, guys. Very very calm. वो पुरानी मूवीज़ में क्या बोलते थे डॉक्टर, अगर कभी स्ट्रेस या बीपी बढ़ जाता था, गो टू हिल स्टेशन, गो टू मनाली. Now I know why. It is like I am feeling so relaxed here. And let me show you inside the room, inside this cottage. So that's the entrance, and this is the bell here. Look at it, guys. So wow. That's the kitchen over there. So you have to take these steps. That's another hangout place out with a nice view. That's my room. Look at it, guys. There's a TV. No fan though. I think we'll not need it, hopefully. So let me show you the balcony. This is the view from the balcony. Can't wait to explore. So a huge mountain. Wow. And this whole stretch is apple trees. These are all apple trees. You can see. So the plan for today is, so guys, you're here so far and that means you really like my video. I sincerely thank you guys for watching this video so far. I want you guys to be part of this video. The way you can do it is commenting down below. Whether it's bad, good, whether you send me some love or whether you send me some hate. I respect all of you. And of course, if you like my video, hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because the next video is gonna be even more amazing. So guys, that's all for this video now. I'm gonna see you guys next time.